हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। स्वागत आपका आपके अपने चैनल मैथ्स इन नटसेल बाय महेश सेन। Guys, today we are having the question number 7th here. We have done 1 to 6 question in this before this video. So what is the question number 7? Find the coordinates of the point A, where AB is diameter of the circle and the center is 2 comma minus 3 and B coordinate is 1 comma 4. So basically a circle is given whose diameter is given, that coordinate of diameter, the 2 points are there, but we have 1 point is given, 1 point we have to find out, right? And the center's coordinate is also given. So we'll start with the solution. We are making a circle, making a diameter. Diameter we know very well. Diameter having the 2 end points. So basically we have the center of the circle is 2 comma minus 3 and diameter AB we can take it as 1 comma 4 and x comma 0. So the center is O, diameter drawn, AB is the diameter. I can put here the point like A we are finding here, B coordinates are given 1 comma 4 and let me write the coordinate of the center O also, that is 2 comma minus 3. So these 2 points are given O and B. A coordinates we don't know, we will take it x1 y1, as we know that x1 y1 x2 y2 and the center or the midpoint or somewhere the point lying on between these two will be the x and y. So I will write here x1 y1 xy and x2 y2. So this concept we know, the line segment AB is a line segment or this is a diameter. So after this you can have the center is the midpoint of the diameter AB, as we know that the center is the midpoint and AO and OB are the radii, so O is the midpoint. So I am writing here simply the midpoint is O of the center AB. So we will apply here the midpoint concept here. So by midpoint formula we'll have the answer, we'll get the answer, and midpoint formula is x equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2, right? So putting the values in this formula and get the values of this. X is 2, x1 is x1 only, y x2 is 1 plus upon 2. So 2 will come to the multiplication with 2, 2 to the 4. So next step is 4 is equal to x1 plus 1. 1 will go in the left hand side, so it will become 4 minus 1 is equal to x1. This is the next step, and we know that 4 minus 1 is 3. So basically this is very simple. When you are getting the value of x1 as 3 by the distance formula, now you people have to find out the y coordinate also, sorry, y1 coordinate also, as the y equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2 in the second half, right? So y equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2 and y, the value of y is minus 3, as we know that this is the center of the circle at 2 comma minus 3. So putting these values in the formula, y equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2, y is minus 3 is equals to y1 as it is we are writing here, plus y2 is, I can 4 is y2 and 2. So 2 will multiply with minus 3, it will become minus 6, 2 3s are 6, minus 6. Minus 6 is equals to y1 plus 4. This is the value of y1, so send this 4 in the left hand side. It will come here minus 4, minus 6 and minus 4. That will be minus 10. So y1 is minus 10 basically. So you wanted to point x1 y1, that is y1 is minus 1 and x1 is 3. So coordinate of A, it comes generally in MCQ type of the question also. It is very simple. Find the coordinate of point A, B or O, anything he can ask you in objective type. Its answer will be a 3 comma minus 10. So the coordinate of point A, x1 y1 will be here 3 comma minus 10. I think this is very simple question. It is up to the 1 mark only. So I hope so you understood the question and its solution also. Thank you so much for watching the videos. We'll continue with this one more question in the next video. In the next video we'll have the question number 7 to 10, right? So till then I'll request you only, if you like the video, you understood something, just click on the like button, write the comments and in the comment box, and last one is don't forget to subscribe my channel Maths in Nutshell by Mahesh Sen. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.